Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an early start. It is currently 4:28. Why is it always this? I swear, Canons have a problem with focusing the lens. I got a new lens actually. I'll probably be using that today. Welcome to my first track day video. I'm so tired, but this is worth it. This is with work, so it's all expenses paid. I think we have a McLaren. I don't know what McLaren we have. A McLaren, two NSX. I can't even speak, it's too early. Two NSXs. I think there's going to be like a GT3 out there, Porsche. There's a Honda race car. I think there's something like an actual Civic race car. You'll see when we get there. But I am actually going to pick up one of the I'm going to pick up one of the NSXs right now. So, gotta head up there. Probably film when I get there, and then I'll be filming for work. So that is a weird alarm. Never had that alarm before. Got that on camera. What is that? The last one 15 minutes ago didn't go off like that. But time for me to go and pick up the NSX and then head mid-Ohio. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I did this at Porsche on their little course, but this is like a track where like other play like IMSA and MotoGP, they go to race here. So maybe I don't know about MotoGP. I know the Baggage Series does, but I'm excited. Let's go. Oh, getting ready for the track. 720S, NSX. That thing is loud. GT3, more stuff in there. Targa 4S right there. The older NSX too, but I'm taking the newer NSX. You guys can't see. This is amazing. Alright, gas station. Got the NSX. Got Addison. If you guys follow Honda Marysville, you'll see him a lot. Older NSX, Bruce in the 720S, and I absolutely love it. It's a 720S luxury. It's like 1,000 horsepower, whatever. You know, it doesn't take much. Look at that. Living the dream here, buddy. Cop. I don't know. This is insane for me. Never thought this would happen, especially after everything that's happened to me the past couple of years. Not like it's been crazy bad, but just this is unexpected. I knew I was going to track day, but then I got texted last night. Hey, can you pick up an NSX in the morning? Of course I can. I wish you guys could have seen that. It's just beautiful out here. Rancher's Aston Martin in front of us. Got Kyle on the phone right now. He just called me. Oh, this is amazing. Backcountry road is actually paved, so we are. Stop! Look, there goes Aston Martin. Gotta get on it. Oh, the turbo sounds in this are crazy. I'm having a very good time. And NSX, that's in front of me. That was a nice little back road we had there. And I am kind of speechless. Oh, my camera's focusing. I gotta save my battery so I can film a lot of stuff at work. So, see you guys. Crap, guys, and this is what I'm excited to see right here. That is a GT3 Cup car up there. This is insane.
was that, brother?
That's f***ing insane.
Alrighty guys, so in this ride along, this is my first time being out. This is my sightseeing with my instructor. We already did one by ourselves, but this is the first time being instructed. So I wasn't going very fast. There was a lot of traffic the whole track day, actually, a lot of traffic. So the straightaways, I only got maybe 1 or 2 good straightaway passes, probably hit 146 or something like that. Last time I looked down, the only time I looked down was like 143 and 145. So this was just a learning thing. I didn't go too fast, didn't push it too hard. The next 2 sessions I did, which I didn't record because the camera was in the car with somebody else. Yeah, I was doing really good and pushing the car a little bit more. Obviously, it's not my car, so I wasn't going too crazy. So, but stay tuned for after this, and you can see Bruce drive the 720S and make some noise. All right, track day is going good. Broke my glass. If you know me, it's not a surprise. I broke my shades getting out the NSX this morning. As soon as we got here, put in the park, opened the door, snapped them. Instructor said I was doing really good. I know everybody says that, but instructor was like, "You're doing really smooth." I usually have to yell, but I'm not yelling, which is great. I barely even have to talk with you. He talked me through the first few laps, and then the turns where I was not getting it, I obviously got it, and he was like, "Man, this is like seriously really good." Like really smooth, and I'm knowing this is exciting. It's a lot. It's really cool. I might ride with him if I could find him in a Crown Vic. They have these old police cars that the instructors drive, and they're apparently a lot of fun on track. And I would not mind riding with an instructor. Anyways, great day, Bruce. If you're watching, thank you so much. Let's see if we can hear the 720 at all. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Cornfields, NSX, 720S up there. Great day at the track. Once again, thank you, Bruce. I hope he might be watching it, but probably not. If you guys like this content, I can do more of it in the future. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you when I see you.